Genepanel.iobio is a powerful web application for generating disease and phenotype-associated gene lists from multiple resources. You can start by entering free-form text into the search bar on the landing page. You can review the extracted terms for the following 3 different resources: diseases or conditions from NIH Genetic Testing Registry, phenotype terms from Phenalyzer, and matching phenotypes in Human Phenotype Ontology. By default, all the terms will be selected for review, but you can make custom selections. Next, click the Generate Gene List button. This will initiate a search to fetch genes for the selected conditions and phenotypes across the respective resource to generate a list of prioritized genes. Once the search terms are fetched and the gene list is compiled, you will be prompted to close the dialog box. The compiled gene list is then displayed in a simple table. The genes occurring in the most resources are ranked at the top. Each row in the table shows the search term associated with the gene. You can view more information about a gene by clicking the gene name. The Venn diagram visualizes the number of genes and the overlap of genes between the different resources. By default, the top 20 genes are selected, but you can change this and make a custom selection. You can also search for the gene in the gene list and add it the selected set of genes. The selected gene list can then be exported by copying it to your clipboard, saving it to a text file, or by saving it as a CSV file. Also, look at the user guides to learn more about the advanced features to refine the search terms and gene list.